Is the film music really affecting the viewer's emotions so much? I am Valentin from the Wise Owl channel, and today I will put film music to the test. Is music really making us feel in a specific way? Does it dictate or at least influence the viewer's emotions? Basically, what I will do is I will use the same words and same visuals, only the background music that is fully instrumental will change 5 times. In order for the test to make more sense, I will change my voice speed and as well my voice mood according to the music. In the end, there will be a question for you. So let's do this. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. I hear something. It's her. My heart is going mad. This is overwhelming. I wonder what will happen next. Cool. Now the question for you is, did you experience all the 5 different emotions? Which one felt more authentic to you? I want to hear from you in the comment section below. So please contribute in the comment section, like this video if you made it so far, and remember to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.